What's going on, everyone? If you're tired of breaking winch cables on your plow rig, you need to upgrade to this awesome plow lift strap from Tusk. This thing is nice and wide, and it's going to make it so that you can go through your plow season without breaking and having to remove your hook and putting it back on time after time throughout this winter season. I'm gonna get into showing you how to put this on your machine and just how easy this can be. Let's get into this install.
First, we will start by pulling out most of our current winch rope. At this point, I'm going to remove the current roller fairlead as well as the plastic grill on this machine. This will give us more access to the winch as we go through the rest of this process. Next, we are going to finish removing the winch rope. These can attach in a few different ways. Ours was just fed through the drum and then overlapped over itself to keep it in place. The next step is to feed in your new winch rope through the drum. We're gonna do that and then bend it to the side so as we draw in the rope, it will overlap to hold the new one in place, just like the old one. Now make sure you draw the rope into the winch the correct direction. This way, when you push the in button on your winch controller, the winch draws the rope in. Next, we're going to reinstall the plastic grill, as well as add in a new Tusk billet winch fairlead. After everything is tightened down, all that is left is to attach the hook to your plow and give it a test run.
All right, so that does it. We've got this thing set up on our plow rig, and this is ready to move some snow. Be sure to jump on RockyMountainATVMC.com to get yours, or jump on the link below. Again, if you're looking for a great way to upgrade your plow rig and make sure you're not having to replace your winch cable time after time, this right here is the fix.